GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form and function. GM Genuine Parts GPS navigation system antennas are designed, engineered, and tested to rigorous standards, and are backed by General Motors. GM Genuine Parts are the true OE parts installed during the production of or validated by General Motors for GM vehicles. Some GM Genuine Parts may have formerly appeared as AC Delco GM Original Equipment (OE). Top reviews from the United States. Check the plug end first before ordering. This was the upgraded version OM that has the drain hole up front, which will probably solve the original problem of water coming in cab. I squirted a small circle of silicone inside the gasket when installing as well. There are different plugs on the ends of these. Make sure yours is correct.